Got some new impact socket sets to look at today from Wiha Tools. They just sent me the metric and standard or SAE version. So let's open them up and take a closer look. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. We've got some compact impact socket sets to look at today in metric and standard from Wiha Tools. These are made to be lightweight and compact, basically for on-the-go type of work, something that you might carry in a handyman bag or HVAC or electrician bag. These are both 8-piece sets in metric and standard. Now, the sizes included are 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 millimeter in the metric set. And in the standard set, we've got 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2 inch, 9/16, and 5/8. Now these are of course impact rated. It says right here they're made of XHD chromoly steel. Now Wiha Tools is a German company, but it says right here these are distributed by Wiha Tools USA in Minnesota. It also says right here designed by Wiha Germany, made in Taiwan. Let's open them up and take a closer look at the tools. Well, there you go. That's a nice little compact impact socket set. Now, one thing that's kind of unique about this socket holder is that it swivels. You can see each one of these sockets, you can kind of twist that around. Now that of course makes it kind of easier to grab the one that you want, just kind of twist it around and pull it off. Now each one of the sockets is engraved with the size. It says 10 right there, and it's got like a little texture on it as well. And then it says Wiha. Now, if you look closely here, you can see that the corners are all relieved or cut out so that you don't end up rounding fasteners. You're actually making more contact with the flat part of the fastener, intended to make that grip a little bit better and less likely to wear it out. Now, of course, these are impact, and so they'll work with an impact wrench like this one right here. Now, this is a 3/8 drive Milwaukee impact wrench. These will work perfect for something like that if you do carry an impact wrench with you, but you might only carry an impact driver, which is probably the case with a lot of us nowadays, especially in a little tool bag, or if you're crawling up in an attic or in a crawl space, or even if you're just kind of wearing a belt. This is something that you'll most likely have. You might even just hang these from your tool bag or belt, and these will work perfectly with an impact driver with the included adapter. Comes with this adapter that's 1/4 inch hex, 2 3/8 square. Pop it right off, and let's take a look at how that would work. And there it is, ready to go, ready to get the job done. And I love that adapter is as long as it is. That's actually not the case with some of the other sets that I have. I'll show you here in just a minute. Nice little set, definitely easy to access, and I really like it. When I first got this, I thought it might be 1/4 inch drive because it was actually very similar in size to the 1/4 inch drive Makita set that I carry with me in some of my bags. And one of the things, I guess, as far as the difference, you know, when pulling out the sockets, I like this set because it holds them pretty tight, but it does take a little bit more effort to slide the socket out of this little holder, where these ones just pop right off. And of course, you don't have to fight with other sockets. You can turn it to the side, and even if you had gloves, you can pull that and rip it right off. That's kind of neat. Because these are 3/8 drive, I guess I should be comparing them to this set here from Makita, which is also their 3/8 drive set. Now, of course, this has got a lot more sizes, but that's kind of the idea, is that this is made to be compact. It also has the shorter extension or adapter to the 3/8 drive. But of course, you do get more sizes with the Makita, but even the sockets themselves are smaller. Let's pop that off again. Let's take a look at and compare the same size sockets. So here we have the 10 millimeter in the Wiha. Now let's pull out the 10 millimeter in the Makita. It's actually the red ones here. But just wanted to take a look at the difference in the actual socket size, diameter, and height. The Wiha is a smaller, more compact set. Again, just made to be that way so that it's lightweight, easy to get around on the job site. Now we'll take a quick measurement here. Wiha in the metric 10 millimeter, right about 28 millimeters in length, and the overall diameter 16.7. Where the Makita set, 30 millimeters in length and 18.7 in diameter. Now, of course, we all know with impacting, mass is key, and so there is a place for this, but if you're just talking about compact, lightweight, the Wiha is a better choice. The fact that this is just so much smaller, and if you're gonna be hanging that off of your belt, or if you're going up and down a ladder a lot, this set is definitely gonna save you a little bit of weight. The standard set as well, same setup, same design. Now, again, I do like this adapter, that extra extension. Let's pop it on the DeWalt here real quick. There it is. Ready to go. whatever job you're doing, this is very nice. And I love that added reach of that 1/4 inch to 3/8 adapter. Very cool. Of course, there are applications where a shorter length is going to be better for that situation that you're in. You know, sometimes the added reach is not necessary and you might need this for the tighter or smaller access. So I really do like this Makita set. I'm not saying that this is a bad set or anything. They're just different in different applications. Now, of course, you can also use this socket set with a ratchet. You know, a lot of times I'll carry a compact ratchet with me in the tool bag. Just pop it on there and you've got a perfect little socket to be used with a ratchet. Now, one of the things with impact sockets is it seems like they're pretty susceptible to rusting, but these do have a manganese phosphate coating for corrosion resistance. Now, the swivel bit holder is kind of unique. Definitely something I haven't really seen before, and I like also the fact that you can rotate this extension around and just really make a nice compact socket set there. And I like that that extension is a little bit longer. Now, that's a 4-inch adapter rather than the 2-inch that's included in the 3/8 drive Makita set. Again, the whole intent of this, or the design of this, is to be a compact set, to be able to carry it with you, take it in your bag, hang it from your belt, whatever you end up doing. That's the whole point. You know, a lot of the jobs we do, especially as a maintenance tech or a handyman or even HVAC or electrician, you're really only using a handful of sizes. You know, as a mechanic, this is a perfect little set to take to a salvage yard to pull parts off and whatnot as well. Trekking through a junkyard, and sometimes cars are very far apart. It's nice to have a little compact set like this and an impact wrench or driver to take with you to disassemble some stuff and get the parts you need. Now, if you've been doing this a while, you know that most jobs don't take every tool in the toolbox. You know, when you work in the trades, there's a lot of jobs that you'll be able to cover just about anything with these sizes. It's just not necessary to drag your entire toolbox out. 200 pounds worth of tools and, you know, $3,500 worth of tools to change a capacitor. Just take your impact, take this little set with you or have it attached to your belt, and you can really get just about anything done. Now, this would be a perfect little socket set for an electrician or HVAC technician, or, you know, if you do maintenance or handyman type of work, this is a perfect set to take in your bag with you on the go, just because it is so compact and so lightweight. Each one of these sets is priced right around $20 right now, and I think that's a pretty good value for what you get. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. And of course, I'll get links in the description to each one of these sets as well, but they also sell these at your local Lowe's. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.